guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna go out of order since I'm upstairs already, but anyways, I'll tell you in order. So at the beginning of the day I went downstairs, or I was downstairs, and I did 2 more of the fan disconnects like I did yesterday, and then the second part of the day I did some more pipe on the ceiling. Like I said, I needed to take this I needed to take a pipe from that box over to here, so I got that pipe done and box, and then had to do the other 2, so had to come out of the emergency box right there, go to the wall over to that outside light box, and then I came out of the top of that box right there, the normal power, and then I did a little 90 and a kick because I didn't feel like offsetting, so I just did a 90 and a kick down and then went straight across. And then this pipe still has to get a box over by the stairs, but I have to figure that out. So it's kind of in the middle of the stairs, so I don't know how they're gonna work on that, so maybe they'll just move the box over or something. But I got the pipe over to there so far, and I think the last part of the day, it's been going super fast, which is just awesome. I mounted a box for the dryer and a box for the washer, and then I mounted 5 boxes in here, 3 on this wall, 1 on that wall, and then 1 on this wall over here, and then drilled I don't know if that was a 3/4 inch or a 1 inch. Used the hole saw to drill a hole there because I have to get a pipe out of this box over to the panels, and then the same thing over here, another pipe out of this up through there, and then I have another hole for the MC. So I probably didn't need that hole for the MC. Someone just called me and interrupted my video. Wonderful. Okay, so I probably didn't need the hole for the MC, but I thought I was jumping between this box and this box, but we just decided to go with 2 home run pipes. So there'll be a pipe here with 3 home runs, 1 for this box, 1 for that box, and 1 for that box. So all 3 home runs will come through that one pipe, and then they'll split off with MC. So tie them together, 1 over there, then the other home run will be there, and then this home run will be tied in here and sent over to there. And then 2 home runs here, 1 for this box, and then 1 sent over to that box. So they'll each be like a dedicated individual circuit. And yeah, so just have to get them stubbed out through the ceiling so far, just straight pipe or a little offset. Just have to get them stubbed above the ceiling so they can start sheetrocking or whatever, whenever that is. So that's pretty much wrapping up my day. So I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I am leaving town in 2 hours. I'm gonna go hang out with some friends in a different city close by, about 200 miles away, and we're gonna go do some stuff with animals, so it'll be cool. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. I will see you later. Enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe. I will see you guys later. Any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section. See you guys later. Peace. And I'll be going to a different job site on Monday, so I don't know if I'll be coming here part of the day or not, but we'll try to get some stuff at the end of the day for you. If not, then I'll just make another talking video or something, which I haven't done in forever, so I'll get you something on Monday. Anyways guys, see you later. Peace out, have a good one.